Napoleon na ka.
Italia, Sepala, and outside. Such a clean line. At saka
Pila gani?
siya na yung tinatarget.
Iti?
Wasted opportunity there. They have had, I think, two just in
Butang na ba? Kay election karon no makapangat magtabang.
Italia.
Bala na kaya. Hagay din mga wong. Tao na hagay kay mga wong. No? Tao kay inlap po man.
Such
Asa
effort
ka na inlap? Sito.
from LaSalle to bring that ball up.
Okay ba na? Thank you kayo ha. Balik na
But
po doon.
Yuri finally stops that run. Could be the day on. But you gotta really love how they're pulled after the ball there. Yes. Yun nga, ayaw nila pabagsakan ng bola. But attack error from Shibana Napoli. Now these back-to-back errors from LaSalle, helping the cause of the UE Lady Warriors. And what I love about, well, just Shibana in that last point, alam niya kasi na rookie ang setter. Aakuhin na niya lahat ng mistake niya doon. She didn't say the set was off or anything. See if they're able to convert.